Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the rear bumper cover on a 2011 Honda CRV. Start out by opening up your lift gate, and we're here on the back side of the bumper, and we're going to want to pop this cap off using a small flathead screwdriver. And there's a little groove in the bottom of this cap. You're just going to get underneath there and pop it out. And inside there is a 10mm bolt. And then this one right here requires a T30 Torx bit. And if you don't have a set of Torx bits, you can just get a single bit off Amazon. I'll link to that in the description below. And take those two out, and then go to the other side and take those two out also. Next, come around to the side of the bumper here, and we're going to take out these Phillips screws. And then just pull back the mud guard. And then just get your hands behind the bumper here and pull out on it. Until you get up to the tail light here. And then you're going to want to do this on the other side also. The next thing you're going to want to do is climb underneath the bumper here. And there's two bumper clips that we need to take out. It's just a standard Honda bumper clip. It's a two-piece clip. You got to pry out on the middle part of it. I'm using a clip tool, or you can use a flathead. Basically the trick on these, on the bottom here, is to pry out a little bit on one side and then go around to the opposite side and pry out just a little bit more, and just kind of work your way around the clip. You don't want to try to do it all in one big pry, because you'll end up busting the clip. But if you work your way around it, you can typically get it out without breaking it. If you do end up breaking it, it's not that big of a deal. You can get replacement clips on Amazon also. I'll link to those too. But if you just work your way around the clip, you can get it out without breaking it. These clips here on the bottom, they get really grimy from the road. It works its way up in there, so they're kind of tricky to get out. But if you just take your time, you'll be fine. And once you have all the fasteners out, go around to both sides of the bumper and just pull directly back on it. And that's it, guys. Bumper's off. Thanks for watching.